IBMasters.com, and today we're going to look at the 27 questions from Digital SAT Test 2 Module 1. This is from the Bluebook app. Number 27, you see the bullets, don't read them. Because probably all the answer choices are true based on the bullets, which could be confusing. You only want to read from the verb to the end of the sentence that comes before the question. There's only going to be one answer choice that's going to address that. So we need to emphasize a similarity between two paintings. Answer choice A, Monkman, a Cree artist, finished painting in 2019. Leutze, a German artist, completed his in 1851. Different years, different countries, different names. Difference. Answer is B. Although Monkman's painting was inspired by Leutze's, sounds similar. People and actions between the two paintings portrayed are very different. It ends with a difference. Answer is B is gone as well. Answer is C. Leutze's and Monkman's paintings are both similarity huge, measuring 149 by 255 inches and 132 by 264 inches respectively. Okay, how is it they are different measurements, but it's presented as a similarity? They're both huge. It looks like we found our answer. Let's go to answer D, though. Leutze's painting depicts Revolutionary War soldiers, while Monkman's depicts indigenous people and refugees. Different peoples, different demographics. D is gone. Your correct answer here is C. The similarities that they're both huge. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who has difficulty with these bullet questions. If there's any question you'd like to answer from any official BSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. Click subscribe so you don't miss anything, and check out that 1 minute video on TikTok. Have a great day.